So over the last 8 weeks, I've done a lot of listening and learning, developed 6 big objectives. Each of these objectives are things that we're going to continue to listen and learn and get lots of involvement in support for and developing the strategies around over the next couple of years. First and foremost, I have to get a great successor for myself and for Chancellor Wayne Davis. And so in 2019, we'll be selecting a chancellor for the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, and in 2020, getting a successor for myself. We want a generational leader, somebody that will be able to lead this campus over the next decade. And then the second objective is we want to make sure that we're making all of our campuses places where students go to achieve their dreams. Last year we graduated 11,806 students. We want to increase that dramatically. And the best way to do that is make sure the students that are part of our campuses succeed. The most important thing to success is feeling engaged, and the way you get engaged is you have to feel that you're welcome, that you matter, that you belong. And so making sure that we create a culture that supports that is critically important to our mission. The third objective, we need to increase our research. We also set a record last year in research, but we're still 80th in the Carnegie tables in amount of research. We've got so much opportunity, and we have one of the best assets of any university in the country. We manage the best national lab in the country. So we have a university managing the best lab in the country, and yet we're 80th. We've got a lot of opportunity to do even better. Fourth, we want to increase our level of engagement in our communities. We are a land-grant university. Part of our mission is to support our state. There's a lot of things we do. We need to do even more, and we also probably need to get a bit more credit for some of the things that we do. There's also an opportunity for us to do more by collaboration. There are independent silos across our system working on opioids, for example, at the Health Science Center in Memphis and at Oak Ridge National Labs using the supercomputer through our governor's chair, the University of Tennessee, and the College of Social Work. So we've got all these resources doing great things, but we're not working together as a team. There's an opportunity to bring more collaboration so that we can have a bigger impact across our state. Fifth, we need to define and clarify the relationship between our campuses and our system. We want to make sure that everything that the system does provides value, and those things that it does provide value we can quantify and be able to demonstrate. And then finally, we need to work on our brand. And I think if we do those first 5 things, we will strengthen our brand. Our brand should be better than it is. It's good, but it could be better. The University of Tennessee system is doing so many great things. Too often, many of those things don't get the recognition that they deserve. So we want to bring our brand back to what it's been in the past and maybe even to new heights. So those are the 6 things we'll be focusing on. Each one of those are big objectives, but the strategies, the details on how we accomplish these is going to take all of us, our faculty, our staff, our students, all working together to accomplish them. But if we can do those in the next couple of years, I think we can say those 2 years will be successful.